You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you.
Welcome back, JB Squad! If you're new to our channel, I'm Jasmine, my little sister, Bella. So today we're gonna be doing Fix This Slime Challenge!
Hey girls, I just want to say that I'm so sorry because I know in the last 2 videos I've been pranking you with slime food. But today, to make it up to you girls, I got you each your favorite ice cream. And I know that you're probably thinking, oh, she's tricking us again. But I'm not because, okay, hello, how could I even make ice cream slime? That'll be so weird. So Bella, here's yours. Some coffee ice cream. Wait for Sissy to eat it. Jasmine, here's yours. 3 colors.
I love.
Gotcha!
Mom? How? Every time I want a Slurpee, lemonade, or ice cream, you give me this. You give me slime.
Isn't it amazing?
Don't
you love it?
No. Look at it.
Look, it's 3 colors.
Let me take it
And
out.
Bella, coffee, your favorite?
Ah! Look. It's so melted and sticky.
And it's drippy too. I mean, it's beautiful too.
It's drippy. It's whippy. Mine is whippy.
Do you girls think you're gonna be able to fix it?
No. So if you guys want to wish us some good luck so that we can fix it, remember to smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. And also follow us on Instagram and TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started. Guys, look at this disgusting slime. How am I gonna fix it? I know, it looks so gross. Beautiful, Mommy.
Of course it's beautiful. Look at Jasmine.
It's so sticky. It won't come off my hands, and the colors are horrible. And mine is darker. It's gonna be harder.
Okay, well you girls have 3 seconds to go get your ingredients.
Okay, so now we're back with our ingredients. And I'm going for purple dream slime. Of course you are. That's what it's called, purple
Ooh, is that purple pigment, Bella?
Yeah.
That looks so pretty. Give it that to me.
No. Yeah,
Okay,
take it from
fine.
her.
Ooh, do you guys think she's gonna be able to fix this disgusting, I mean beautiful, that I created with so much love?
Gross, disgusting. Cold, I mean beautiful. Sure. We all think it's beautiful.
And what are you going for, Jasmine?
I'm going for a cotton candy fluff slime.
Ooh, look how pretty.
Look at this face. She's
Hey,
already
Jasmine,
getting
look over
jelly.
there.
What? No! Drop my
Okay.
ingredients.
Fine.
Thank you.
I guess maybe you'll be able to fix this disgusting thing. I mean, of course, it's so gorgeous. Like,
Mom!
who makes this kind of slime?
Ah!
What happened? Oh, Bella! That's sticky. I mean, not sticky slime. How did that
Mom,
happen?
stop lying. You know it's horrible. It's
Okay.
disgusting.
Well, you know what else is horrible?
What?
I'm about to start my timer.
And these slimes are huge. It's like a tub of ice cream, or should I say a tub of slime. So it's like so sticky and jiggly.
Okay. What?
I'm over here.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna give you girls 7 minutes. I think 7 minutes.
Yes.
3, 2, what? A crying baby? Bella, your sugar's low. Hold on a second. We'll be right back.
No. I have ice cream right here. Okay.
That's fake ice cream, and that's
Here, Bella.
not going to bring her sugar up.
Here. Your sugar's low. Here, eat some ice cream. No, trust me. Oh, yeah, she's right. She needs coffee. That's her favorite. Here's some coffee ice cream. What? You don't like ice cream now? What's your problem? You don't like ice cream.
Okay, Bella.
So you're saying you don't like ice cream.
Okay, guys, so now we're back, and I got Bella some what? What is that?
Skittles.
Some Skittles. Because she's a type 1, and in case you don't know what that means, is that her sugar gets low, so she needs some sugar to bring it up.
Yeah, me too, totally. That's
You
why
are not the type 1. I'm feeding her Skittles.
I did not eat her Skittles. Like, she gave it to me as a Christmas gift.
I know, I'm just kidding.
So anyways.
So while we wait for your sugar to come up, Jasmine, why don't you show me a little ASMR of this beautiful slime?
It's like super sticky and it rips.
Sticky?
Yeah, it rips and I can't even stretch it and it sticks to my hands I feel mine?
Yeah.
If I got this kind of ice cream from the store, I would be so mad and disgusted. Like,
And the reason why I show you guys this with Bella is because in case you go back to school and you have a friend who's a type 1, now you know what to do. If their sugar is low, you give them some candy or some juice. Right, Bella? Mm-hmm. We're trying to teach you guys. All right, so you guys ready?
yes.
Okay, so I'm going to start my... I'm not going to put a timer today, actually.
Wait, really?
Yeah, we're not going to do a timer.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna
Okay,
start.
so just go.
I don't know why I still feel like I'm rushed. I need to do it fast. I need a bunch of glue because.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah, well, you gave us a lot of slime, so I'm gonna move my hair back. Oh, I don't know why I love mixing glue into slime. Oh, do you hear that? Isn't it so satisfying?
Yeah, sure. Bella.
Oh no, it's
I think you
dripping
need to
on
shake
me.
that.
It's dripping on me. It's dripping on me.
Yay!
Oh, it's going on my pants. Mine is turning out super good already because I'm the slime queen here.
Yeah, it looks amazing, of course.
Yeah, I know, right?
It looks even better than before.
Yeah. Right, JB Scott?
Are you done?
No, but look at my pants already.
I'm doing what I used to do.
Oh, the mountains.
Oh.
Bella likes to stack everything and then mix it in at the end.
Yes. I gotta win this challenge. If you guys want me to win, smash the subscribe button.
Oh, the color actually already changed.
No, take it out and get the
Bella
video
loves to say that. And yours is like a yellowy tan color, right, Bella?
Yeah.
I wish we had real ice cream.
I know.
Yeah.
Wait, what did you do with the real ice cream?
I didn't eat it. Why would I do that?
Mom,
I'm not gonna eat 2 things of ice
did
cream.
you eat our ice cream?
No, I'm just kidding.
Can you please feed me one of my Skittles? My hands are dirty.
Of course. Oh,
Okay, so I fixed
oh, for me? I'm just kidding. Oh, I just put some shaving cream on it too.
Ew. Okay, so I fixed the texture, look. But I need to add shaving cream to learn this disgusting color. Not a big mountain of Bella. I mean, I'm not copying Bella at all. Right?
You always cut.
No, I'm not copying you. I'm gonna copy everything. I mean, I'm not gonna copy.
Oh, you guys should do a challenge of that. Copying my little sister or copying my big sister for 24 hours.
Oh yeah, look at this. So fluffy. It's like a marshmallow. Here, Mom, you want a marshmallow?
Sure, I love marshmallows. Thank you.
No!
Just kidding. Bella, it's gonna be fun. JB's gone.
Oh no.
Don't
Don't dirty their clothes.
How do I get this off my hands? This is my caramel.
Yes.
Get this off me.
No!
Ew, I think I'm putting more.
The slime is
Bella.
getting harder.
It's just shaving cream.
The slime is getting bigger and bigger and tougher to mix in.
But I think you need a lot more food coloring. Oh, okay. That's good.
Okay, so now I'm gonna split mine into 2 because you know this is a cotton candy fluff, everyone.
Bella's like, she's like mixing slime, eating Skittles.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add some.
Oh, you're
I
okay.
couldn't. You need some shaving cream?
No. I just don't
Since I couldn't find pink food coloring, I only found red. I'm gonna mix
Be
it.
careful with Skittles. You might choke on one. Like me.
I can't even get this.
Well, I think you're gonna need maybe some pigment.
Okay, so I couldn't find pink food coloring, so I'm mixing my red food coloring with shaving cream. I'm learning new things every day. Okay, how's yours? Awkward silence. How's yours?
How's yours, Bella?
She's just too scared to say it because she knows that she's gonna lose.
Because it's not changing color yet.
Mine is definitely gonna change color, and I'm totally gonna win.
And by the way, guys, I forgot to say that Bella's sugar is not low yet. It's about to get low. If it was low, I wouldn't let her be doing this video. Right, Bella?
Yes.
Because whenever she's super low, she has to like sit down.
Yeah.
So, just so you guys don't think that I'm making her make slime. I just don't want her to get low. So that little thing that she has in her arm, Bella, what? That warns me when she's about to soon be low, and that's why she had the candy.
Yes. It's like a magical.
Ooh, that's starting to look so pretty.
I know, right?
Bella, let's see yours. Bella, you need to work on that color, sweetie.
Yeah, it
It
ain't looking
does-
that good.
Who would have made such a disgusting slime that would be so hard to fix?
Maddie,
Oh, that's true.
Maddie, a
Forgot.
bunch of blue.
Oh, you're gonna do unicorn?
No, cotton candy.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Did you forget what I was doing?
I should have put the timer. You girls are taking like a minute.
No, we're not. Hey Siri, don't start a timer for 2 minutes. Hopefully she
Siri
doesn't.
didn't even answer me. She's like, finish that slime.
She's annoyed. Okay, so I got my pink. I got my blue.
Come on.
Hey, and with Bella purple, you guys should have done unicorn.
Oh yeah, but it doesn't look too pink. It's gonna look like
It looks really pink. It just doesn't look that
Hey
good.
guys, my purple kind of matches my shirt.
Guys, there's a
Bella,
problem.
what face was that? Hold on, do that again.
It's not turning blue. It's not gray at all. It's blue.
That was a lot.
I didn't pour that much. It was Bella. She poured it for me.
I did not.
I'm out of bread. I got this. Bella, you still haven't even changed the color. It looks like a loaf of bread.
You too.
How does that look like a loaf of bread? What is that, moldy bread? Girl, where are you buying bread at?
Look at yours.
What's wrong with mine?
That's just ugly.
Oh,
Mine is pretty.
Yours is pretty. Okay, guys.
but I think you need some.
Now we're
pigment.
just
I'm
all
scared
getting-
with her and pigment.
Now we're all just lying here. She's saying hers is pretty.
Oh, Bella!
I'm scared that mine's gonna look like red and blue.
Bella, what did you do? See what I mean, guys?
guys?
Now she's gonna stain the entire table. We're gonna need a new table. Okay.
Yes, we're taking forever, but I promise, like, it's gonna be worth it, Mom. We're gonna, like, finish the
Well,
bath.
this clip alone says 8 minutes, so you guys would have been done with a timer. I'm actually timing you through the camera.
What?
Because I can see how long the skip is.
Okay. Well, it's okay. JB Squad, should we get more time?
Bella! What do you have to say for
You're
yourself?
never using pigment again.
Huh, Bella?
Pigment.
Sure, Bella.
Oh gosh, she's gonna get on herself.
It's not
Ooh, it's starting to turn.
Yeah, and turn into what? You didn't even say it into slime. You just said it's starting to turn. Okay, I think that's good, right?
I think you need to mix in that shaving a little bit.
Okay, that's
Going
fine.
to turn into
We're
a
gonna-
beautiful color. And
Sure,
then, once
Keep
it turns into a beautiful color.
Okay, I'm gonna do my swirl. Oh, look at this.
Well, that's a giant fluffy slime. That
Mom,
looks
but
so
I'm
pretty.
not done yet. We need our glitter.
Oh, that's looking so
The
pretty.
glitter always fixes it.
It kind of matches your shirt.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. I don't know what language I just spoken, but
Okay, so your girl's done?
No!
Okay.
she gets a little into it.
Bella, you're so funny. Bella. She's like, don't mess with me when I'm making slime. She's just helping you.
And I'm helping you. Wait, can I put the food coloring for you?
No.
She's mean to me. I don't like that laugh. Just hurry up! I'm sitting here waiting for you, and you're over there like.
Okay,
Hurry up.
ready?
Okay, time's up.
No!
Bella, time's up. Let's see.
Can I put my glitter on?
Okay,
Sissy
put your
Go
glitter.
I don't know. Can you? Oh! Hurry up.
Wow. Look at her concentrated face, guys. Oh, that's not a concentrated face. That's her crazy face. Her Skittles kicked in face. Beautiful.
Just hurry.
Okay, ready? So let's see. This is Jasmine's.
Obviously.
And this is Bella. They both look so pretty. Bella's gonna bring it. She started comparing. Oh, Bella, how'd you do
Mine
that?
was brown, and look
Yeah.
at it now.
beautiful. And Bella, what do you have to say for yourself? Wow,
Really, that
you were
little thing?
able to change it too. Okay, so let's see. Texture. Ooh. Feels so fluffy, guys.
Yes, it's cotton candy fluff. And guess
Can
what,
you
Mom?
stretch it for us? The color's so
Mom,
weird.
guess what?
What?
You know how at the beginning it wasn't edible?
Uh-huh.
Now it is.
I can eat it?
Yeah! No, don't actually eat it!
Okay, can you stretch it for us?
Yes. And at the end, I'll make a slime bubble for you guys, so stick to the end to see the slime bubble. It's so crunchy.
Love it.
And the end color is purple.
Okay, and Bella, let's see yours. Look how sparkly, Bella. Ooh, very clicky and stretchy. I love nothing. I love the color. You definitely changed it. What is this, Bella? What? No, what is this?
What?
Okay, Bella, can you stretch it for us? Stretch it for us, let's see. Wow, it looks so fluffy and stretchy. Okay, so, Jasmine.
Am I the winner?
So the winner, Bella.
She did it.
No, I didn't.
Oh, Bella. Okay. So the winner of today's slime challenge is Jasmine.
Grr. How do you dirty me when you get mad? Like how? What is that doing for you?
But you know what, Bella? It was almost a tie because you did do a good job.
Stop! Okay, now it's time to make a slime bubble. And no, my slime is not turning gray, so yeah, I'm still the winner, right?
What?
It's not
turning gray?
No, it's not turning gray.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
That's it, Bella. You're the winner.
I lost my voice! My voice! Oh.
Because hers is turning more sparkly now, and yours is turning gray.
I promise you,
Bella, you're gonna fall.
mine is color changing. Hers didn't change any color. Mine is color changing.
Nice one.
No. Okay, guys, so we really hope you enjoyed today's video, and it's time for some shout-outs. So today's shout-outs go to Jordan and Alex. We love you both so much, and we also love all of you guys too. But don't think it's the end of the video just yet, because I have to make a slime. Stop! Like, it's not a staring contest, all right? I'm gonna do a huge slime bubble. So
Guys, look how funny. Look at Jasmine's slime turn gray.
no, it
And
didn't.
Bella's ended up turning super sparky at the end.
No, it's color changing. How many times? It's color changing ice cream.
Okay, so make your color changing ice cream bubble.
Yeah, see, it's
Go.
cotton candy slime.
Okay, go.
Cotton
Look, it's purple.
When they move.
Kind of. It's kind
It's
of
actually really purple. It matches your shirt now, Bella.
Okay, everyone, it doesn't matter about her slime. Let's look at my slime now. I ruined that. Okay, let me try one more time. Okay, guys, come on, subscribe for good luck.
Give me some of
Stop! Wait, but that was gonna form. I promise. Can I have one more try? Like, I promise you. Like,
Yeah.
I promise. Like, I promise. How many times am I gonna say promise?
I'm ready.
3, 2.
What did you do? You ruined it. You have such an evil laugh. Like, I just want to yank out your laugh. That's even possible. Okay, guys, so we really hope you enjoyed today's video. We love you guys to the moon and back. Oh, wait. So, yeah, we love you guys so much. Hashi Doobie Squad. Bye, guys. Wait. And remember to smash the subscribe button. Bye, guys. Oh, wait. And remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Oh, bye, guys. Wait. Then you press the notification bell. Oh, wait. Is that it? Yeah. Bye. Oh, no, wait. You guys have to follow us on Instagram. Bye, guys. Oh, wait. You gotta follow me on TikTok. Bye, guys. Oh, and you gotta make some slime.
How many Skittles did you have?
I didn't have any Skittles. I didn't steal any of your Skittles. What's the evil laugh now, baby? Oh my God.
What's wrong with you?
I think we had too much ice cream. We didn't even have ice cream. Where's the ice cream?
You want ice cream?